This video will guide you through the process of replacing the oxygen sensor on your 2001 Ford F-150. The oxygen sensor is located on the exhaust pipe next to exhaust manifold. Begin by removing the oxygen sensor. If the engine has been running, let it cool sufficiently before starting work to avoid burns from hot parts. The normal operating temperature of the exhaust system is very high. Never attempt to service any part of the system until it has cooled. Be especially careful when working around the three-way catalytic converter as it rises to a high temperature after only a few minutes of engine operation. And always wear personal protective equipment, including rubber gloves and safety goggles, when working on a vehicle. Be sure the vehicle is on a level surface, with the engine off and the parking brake engaged. 1. Disconnect the oxygen sensor electrical connector. 2. Use a jack to lift the vehicle off the ground to gain access to the sensors, and support the vehicle using jack stands. 3. Use an exhaust gas oxygen sensor socket to remove the oxygen sensor. Finish by installing the new oxygen sensor. Apply a light coat of high-temperature nickel anti-seize compound or equivalent meeting Ford specification to the threads of the heated oxygen sensor. 1. Use an exhaust gas oxygen sensor socket to tighten the new sensor into the exhaust pipe. 2. Lower the vehicle. 3. Reconnect the oxygen sensor electrical connector to complete the installation process. This concludes the procedure for replacing the oxygen sensor on your 2001 Ford F-150. Thank you for watching.